Well, today we're going to have ourselves a burger cooking because I love burgers. Well, we got to start out here with 2 cow balls. They're going to weigh about 3.25 ounces apiece, and we're going to make them into cow patties. Then we also got to have some thinly sliced jalapeños and onions. Now to do that, you want them as paper thin as you can get, so you can use a knife or you can use a mandolin. Mandolin works better. Hit that with a little MOJO. Just make it MOJO real early in this video. Oop, I just made a mandolin joke there, but anywho. Get you some cheese. We're going to use a good old Kraft single and some pepper jack for this burger. Now we're going to make a sauce. You don't have to use one. We're going to add a little freshness to this. I don't know how fresh you can get with bottled sauce, but that's avocado ranch. My wife loves it, and so I love it. And we're going to add a little squirt of garlic, keep them vamps away, and some sriracha. Now you might as well make this sauce MOJO too. Add you in maybe a teaspoon or so. Give her a good swirl. There it is. Alrighty, bread, we're using a potato bun because potato buns are good. And some big old Clausen pickles and some ghee. And that ghee is just used to butter up that bread. Can't forget the salt, pepper, garlic MOJO blend. Now let's get over here to the griddle. I got one side hot, which is the side I put the burger patties down on. And one side that's medium. So I got a high side and a medium side. Add those thinly sliced salad parts. The top of them buns. No, that's not the buns, is it? That's the meat patties. And just flatten them out. Smash them. That's why they call them smash burgers. Use whatever you got. I just happen to have this here fancy smashing tool. I'll put a link down the bottom. Or, you can use another spatula. Or you can use a hammer or a shovel or whatever you got. Just get them down pretty dadgum thin. Alrighty. Since those are squashed down, add you some more vegetables because I don't believe you can ever have enough. Salad. So once those are down, we're going to add some more to the side over here just to cook up a little bit. Get those buns good and toasty. You don't want to over toast them. Just get them nice and brown on the bottom, about like this. Or you can over toast them. I don't know. We're just having fun here. Alright. Now it's been about 2 minutes. That's about as long as I'm going to go on these patties. As you can see, there's a little juice coming up through the bottom. So this is where we're going to season them because I forgot to season them in the beginning. Get them babies flipped over. We'll let those vegetables get them a little crust action on them. Might as well season that backside while you're thinking about it. Let me tell you, pretty good looking little patties already. Now the one with the onions, that'd be called the Oklahoma onion burger. And the other one would be called I guess a MOJO jalapeno patty. Get your cheese on them. That's it. Put that bun on top, let it steam. We're going to let this go for about a total of a minute. When that minute's up, we're going to add those extra vegetables to the top of that patty. Set this one there to finish melting up that cheese. And there you have almost the perfect burger. Oh, scrape up all that goodness over there. That way we can get it on there. And now you have the perfect burger because we just put the bottom bun on there. There you have it. Burger perfection. Let's get her in here and dump her out just because you can. Well, since it's upside down, go ahead and sauce up that bottom. Put on some good old pickles. That acidity helps with that richness, that 80-20 ground chuck. And there you have a beautiful, manly, awesome burger. I mean, what else can I do? This is just all right. Let me tell you, the slight heat you get from the jalapenos, the sweetness from the MOJO and the onions. Oh man, this is just good. You got to try it. That's it. I appreciate you. And this is where I get the Ricky Bobby hands because this is so good. I can't quit eating it. But I know I need to end the video, so I'm just going to go eat my burger.